Okay, so here's what we have. This is the water line right here. It's supposed to be 25 feet long. I'm gonna try to connect it here, going all the way down there, to the refrigerator over here. Alright, cool. So we have our water line going. This is the hot water line coming from the wall right there. This is a hot water line going all the way to the sink. And then we have the cold water coming from here, this side. Yeah, going to the sink. So I'm kind of looking at it, trying to figure out how I'm gonna connect the refrigerator line. So so what I'm trying to do here, I look at this one going to the sink, this top one. This is the cold water line. That's where I need to connect. So what I'm trying to do, without cutting the wires or anything, without cutting the pipe, what I'm trying to do is, I have an adapter that I got from Home Depot. I'll show it to you in a second. So from Home Depot, that is it's true. So I got this adapter and I hope it's gonna work. I've never done anything like this, so if you see the video, that means it works. Alright, cool. So yeah, I got this one. I'm gonna connect this like that right here to the adapter, this adapter to this, and then I connect the line going to the sink here for the cold water, and then I have this other adapter here that's gonna connect so to this part, and then the water line connect here because it's different size. So this is an adapter that we're gonna connect. So I have this tool right here for now, so we're gonna see if that works. So without cutting the wires or anything, keep saying why, without cutting the pipe or anything, let's see if we're gonna make this work. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now we're going to test the back. This is the back of the refrigerator right here, and we're going to test to see if this one right here is gonna fit with this, which I'm pretty sure it should. So right here, yep. So I know this one works with this one. I just want to test it. I don't want to do all this stuff right here and then find out that it's not working right. And then we have the other one here, this adapter that's gonna connect right here to this part here. Alright, let's see. Yep. Yeah, so we good on this one. Alright, I don't even know if this thing's supposed to be on there. This right here. Let's see. I don't know. Or is it gonna be okay? Nope. I'm dumb. Alright, cool. So we have our tool. So right here, this is the cold water. So what we're gonna do is turn this off right here. This is the one. There you go. Right there. Cut off. So we shut that line off so we don't have water going here. So now we're gonna, this is my first time doing this. I just, there you go. Let's see. So instead of you know, cutting down, because I was gonna cut down the pipe one way or another. I was gonna get the job done. Put this, because we got a little bit of water dripping. Alright, cool. There we go. Drain the rest of the water. There we go. Nice. Ooh. Now it's a adapter right here. Adapter. Here you go. Nice. We're gonna leave that in there. Alright. Connect this here. Yeah. Alright. Cool. Tight this. I don't know how tight it need to be. I'm not trying to mess nothing up. Alright, cool. We're gonna leave it at that. See, I should have done this. Alright, that's fine. And then I'm gonna connect this part, this adapter right here, the side, right there. There you go. Let's see. I think I'm missing this piece. Nope. There we go. Cool. Nice. Again. Now we tighten that up a little bit. Gonna connect this one that's going to the sink here. This end. Yeah. Nice, nice. Now we're going to connect this. Okay, got that. So let's connect this over here to this. Cool. Let's see if we have any. Okay, let me tighten it up a little bit. Yeah. There we go. Cool. There. Alright, cool. So now, nice. So this other end to the back of the refrigerator right here. Connect this to that. I really don't want to miss thread. Alright, cool. We're gonna leave it like that. Now this thing is still open. We're gonna open the water line, see if we have any leaks. Here we go. Looking. Water up. That. I don't see no leaks yet. That. Water line. Let's see. I don't even know how to test this. Okay, we need filter water. Let's see, need a cup. Turn this off. Let's see how this works. Let's put the water. That I'm gonna have to put a filter there or something, I don't know, but for now it looks like it's working. So let's see, down here still no leaks. That's from the previous thing. I don't see any leaks going on. It's working fine. Nice. And run the wire, the water line all the way down here. So now, since I know it's working, what I'm gonna do is disconnect it from back there and then run the wire properly all the way back there and then the back of the refrigerator, and then everything is fine. So I didn't have to do any cutting of the pipe or anything like that. One more time. Look at that. Let's see. It's cold too. So now that's working. Whew, look at that. So we all set now. All the connection. So from back there, using the adapter, there's no leak still. Everything looks good. Everything looks good from there, going all the way down there. And then still got the water running, cold water, hot water is running too. Fine, pass it all the way down. And down here, going all the way to the back of the refrigerator. And then right here is connected to this. I just kind of use my hand to tie this together, and everything is back here. So I'm just gonna have a baseboard to cover that line and find a way to hide that, and need to move it fine. And then the ice is no ice yet. I don't think we have any ice. Any ice is too early. So yeah, we should be good. Water working. We're gonna have the ice. We're gonna get the filter, whatever, and that's how. Everything's working fine. So I'm gonna push that back for now to figure out what else I need to do.